here. Mongoloid.
Menawasi, Emma Wakwaba, Efamra a channel we so. Ebia and the count first time. Ama we yan subscribing, mess yourself subscribing, notification bell turn on. So be like it, so be share, so be like it, so ya dia we ya. Nama yemubi, and so niaje. In Sabe na a trend with media, so name the edit can be TB, and I yede baba sumo ewo platform can see we so dear. Na Akua Akua aka Akua GMB. Eye papa efese Dr. Koku Otin. Ne yire dada Akua GMB. Oni Afia this time around the enye bete. Na girl no akika se. But yire no yiri kan tin komo bia. Eye yeniaba eye Afia di kakeka e de chair no this aside.
Make up you when you say. Ni aresa won say Jimmy fo ni bi o hey baba de ah wo ni aresa won say Kwame fo ni bi wo ni re aboa disabled human being kwase ani esoso osunti na ye de e also ye ni pa on me say the why ni Akua. This is not beauty is a full package and you half when you more fena na is here when you more fena Akua. Say I hear Mongoloid, kwasi aba. Eya shenika. Before I become a shenika. I am telling you, come on, shenika. Make your breakfast right. Why you gonna when you kuno? Make your breakfast. I'm a something you don't have. A beautiful girl with no husband. Is that one to a beautiful girl? Yeah. One nice don't be what a boy. Say, Mongoloid. Fucking negative word. Remember ho. Me se kwakuti na wumu no ofidi wo Akua. Efidi wo ma me ne wo papa. Unya no ma conform ofidi wo. Kwakuti na wumu no. Ai na wala. Ha na wo hwe no kwase ya. Aboa. Patroya ye bi ma me why. Me se me 9 years say, I don't want to be pretty with a crooked legs. Your friend K-leg. In Ananta, a deformity. When person may have patrio, Akua cannot walk in the straight line because Nana say, Kwasi about would they have for Jimmy Bar? Say, I don't want to. You are the one that was in the gutters because maybe you will be sick. I made from my social media. Yeah, listen. Now you could hear a baller. Now you could hear baller, no. Uche, ni ekoyi bola no. Na mo anu na mo po bola be na wo dan echi. Na me ko e dan na oba wadi won mi eja wo. Oba
Afia wedding komo. Na nam so ma Afia Sligan so ho. Oto aso kika nsen mu biem kura kire kwan ni ababia ye de ma me ne fa so de we si ye no nyina mu nche sansem no so emra.
Wadi won ami eja wo. Akua. So what's the me fie. Whatever you want to say about that broadcast incident that will make you comfortable, ya nkodi mi wadamotom. Uncompleted building. A married woman, a woman married to a rich man, that Jeff was fucking you in an uncompleted building. One I will confess here. Kwasi ye ndimi won completed building me say AJ pounds ebe bie utwu na so court ne ko si say because there are party evidence now for say AJ nkwa na get court on na ka o ye bold court wa nyame na boa wa wo withdraw wo crutches no wo nan na animu hwe animu no nyame na boa kwasi aba aboe me say kwa ku change 4 years ni no Who has settled with you? Who? Mimwadi. Trasako hona na didi celebrities boys echine. Me se Togo ni na no bobo no. Eye den ene se wudu waye mie ubie mu e. Togo ni no bobo no. Togo ni no bobo wo Trasako phase 2 no. Ade ni emie ubie mu twe bon. O twe ebon epiamoko wo wie. Togo ni no bobo wo Trasako phase 2 no. E die nti na do waye mbie ubie mu. Yambia ubiem wuni bibi sa wo pentama ja ware mbie diwa me kache mu nya mutie me onbedu na wuni Ghana's kafo mu 200 wutie o pentama mbie diwa onbedu Ghana's kafo mu 200 until roughly in about 100, let's say in about 200 to 300 days now obi edu Akua say wo twe I a problem of the day. It was signs and masquerades. Say if the executive club won't here, yeah, discuss it will try to say problem of the day. I be on to guys into when I'm not good in dinner.
Hey, and the GMB was on your marble brow. Hey, Damotomo. Okay, why are they? Now then I would dance out groomer, and I know you're too popular for that. Okay, and on also be this are common. And then I get on. I'll post to and Kraman we are a chogu. Ewo media no eso no na ba kumpo de wasi female fan ibi o meaning doctor de ben na ni obetro fa so na Kraman we nyina oposu ye nyina ye nsem obetro e de fa Afia so sliga ho na en Kraman no oposu ye no akire no okon start ho ekodi enkomo we na enkomo no ba akone se wase obimfa acid video no hukime. You were caught red-handed with another man in your matrimonial bed, and you think you have the moral right to hold shame someone. Stray dog, junkie, Kraman, you can't be my friend. And no better same way. Now also same way saying, do you know how Adonko Company Limited came about? One of the question mark to home. Do you have an idea? The sacrifice I made for this company. Do you have the slightest idea what we went through before Adonko became a household name? Another question mark to all. Oh, I have worked. Put some respect on my name because I am a hard-working woman. Another and also better. Or sounds better true way so they can say. Stray dog, bring new bars because Ghana is obviously tired of this. Vienna City, Ashawo, who migrated to Circle, Ashawo one city, Kraman yere $5,000. Other do an estimate now to qualify. Now after the post on this and Kraman media, you see, I saw and Kraman you opposite. Obetro assembly the fa hunya abekire na efa assembly mu nkire mu emesom the first one obetro assembly we said Akua mu akwa na betro say today I will tell the world the reason behind the stray dog constant rant on social media. First and foremost, City, stop parading yourself as ex-friend cause I don't make friends with pigs and dogs. I was your mother. And that is what I will be to you till your death. Now, when the asset issue came, I was part of the first people to get the video, obviously, from the person that sent you after me. But I sat on it. I was asked to fire you from Angel TV, but I pleaded with him to let us take you on TV and continue your job as the program's manager because you have case, and during that time you were starving. 3 weeks later I got a call from the same person who asked me to fire you to hand over our novel telenovela to you to host, and I objected. Reason being that your own show, which was aired on TV during prime time, couldn't attract a single sponsor, since no brand would want to would want their brand to associated with you. Why then do I give a show which was expected to be cash cow to such a person to host the chat room? According to you, when I was having the conversation with the man, you confident in one of your minions that you were with him in the office and the phone was on speaker out, so you heard my every word and she told me. You got peeved by that. You came back to the office some days after that conversation to demand for the drive that had the show on, and I declined. Of course, why will I give a drive that contains such an important content to an addict and a drunk? You got angry, left and never came back to Angel TV. That is when you started attacking me. Listen, if I'm to make a decision again regarding this issue, I will still take the same stance. When you called the midnight that your ex-husband had come threatening you with acid, I made a call to 3 different police stations. Unfortunately, they all got there at the same time. This infuriated them, and I had to apologize to them because that's not the normal practice. Stray dog, listen, don't ever think you scare me because you don't. I was just respecting myself, one, my kids, and the dignity of their father. But this time is war up and obey this alcohol no chain what this side. This time around, what didn't come on when you're madam for my quadrano me for what you man be chiaka. When you be and obey this alcohol no chain. Afia legacy a pool friend street burret. Now, what's up with this alcohol we can trust him? I go to one say, good morning, folks. I need an ugly human wife for my adorable dog. Any recommendation, please? Any bimsi Afia0śe Ghana tells you said this time around was say I say into any ingamu levels. And on any quarter for we no suni sembi a girl no so akeka abi na dwum e dia fa queen Afia0śe Ghana this time around Afia0śe Ghana and I say GMB share. Subscribe for latest updates, like, share, comment, share. You be share being by my crowd. Bye bye.